Did you know that a food widely considered to be healthy, if consumed inappropriately, can pose risks to your health? Yes, you heard right. In this video, we're going to explore the hidden secrets of one of nature's most powerful vegetables, beet. Get ready to discover surprising information that goes far beyond what you might think. These days, it's easy to fall prey to the temptation of quick, convenient meals. Processed foods dominate supermarket shelves, offering convenience at the expense of our health. Preservatives, chemical additives, saturated fats, and empty calories turn these options into real silent villains which, over the years, can seriously compromise the functioning of the body. And it is precisely in this context that beet can emerge as a powerful ally, but only if it is consumed in the right way. Rich in essential nutrients, this vegetable has incredible properties that strengthen heart health, improve blood circulation, and help maintain a balanced diet. However, there is a lesser-known side to the story. When eaten improperly, beet can unbalance the levels of certain compounds in the body, bringing unexpected risks, especially for people suffering from pre-existing conditions such as kidney stones or metabolic disorders. So beware. The idea that every natural food is automatically beneficial in any quantity or preparation can be a big misconception. Knowledge is your best tool for making the most of the benefits of this incredible vegetable, avoiding pitfalls that could damage your health in the long term. Throughout this video, you'll see how a simple adjustment in beet consumption can completely transform the way it acts in your body. Get ready for an approach that goes beyond the surface, revealing truths that few know and that can be fundamental to your health and well-being. This vegetable, with its vibrant color and unmistakable taste, is much more than just an addition to your salad. When consumed correctly, it offers a real revolution for your body. By regularly including beet in your diet, you can see significant changes in your health. This superfood is a rich source of bioactive compounds that work on several fronts, promoting vitality, energy, and protection against disease. It is known for improving blood circulation, strengthening the immune system, reducing inflammation, and even giving you more energy throughout the day. In addition, beet is an unquestionable ally for heart health. Thanks to the presence of natural nitrates, it helps to dilate the blood vessels, effectively reducing blood pressure and helping to transport oxygen throughout the body. This not only benefits the heart, but also increases physical performance, making it a popular choice among athletes and active people. Another notable benefit is its antioxidant action. Beet contains betalains, compounds that fight free radicals in the body, preventing premature aging and protecting against chronic diseases. It is also rich in fiber, which is essential for digestive health, promoting balance in the gastrointestinal tract and helping to eliminate toxins. By deciding to incorporate beet into your eating routine, you'll be choosing a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Best of all, this powerful vegetable is versatile and can be consumed in a variety of ways, such as juices, salads, roasts, or soups, adapting easily to any palate and lifestyle. Beet has a long and fascinating history. Originally from the coastal regions of the Mediterranean, it began to be cultivated around 2,000 years before Christ, initially for medicinal use, being valued for its leaves and roots. In ancient times, the Greeks and Romans already recognized its properties for treating health problems. It wasn't until the Middle Ages that beet began to be widely consumed as a foodstuff, gaining popularity around the world over time. Today, beet is recognized by science as a functional food, full of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. Its main benefits include source of essential vitamins. Rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, and B vitamins, B1, B2, and B9, beet strengthens the immune system, improves energy production, and contributes to cell renewal. Improves blood circulation. Thanks to its natural nitrates, it helps dilate blood vessels, reducing blood pressure and improving the flow of oxygen to the muscles and brain. Antioxidant action. Contains betalains, powerful compounds that fight free radicals, preventing cell damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. Strengthens digestive health. Its dietary fibers promote intestinal balance, aid digestion, and contribute to the elimination of toxins accumulated in the body. Heart protection. The potassium and magnesium present in beet help regulate the heart rhythm and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Increased physical performance. Studies show that drinking beet juice before physical activity improves endurance and reduces fatigue due to the increased efficiency of oxygen transportation. Glycemic control. Despite its sweet taste, beet has a low glycemic index, making it an excellent choice for those who need to control their blood sugar levels. This powerful vegetable is a real gift from nature, but it does require careful consumption, especially for those with specific conditions, such as kidney stones. In the next topic, we'll cover how to use beet in a practical and safe way, taking advantage of all its benefits without compromising your health. Now that you know the transformative potential of beet, it's time to bring this superfood into your daily life. The practical application is simple and versatile, allowing you to enjoy its benefits in a tasty way and without too much effort. Let's explore some ways to include beet in your diet, as well as the results you can expect from regular consumption of this vegetable. How to use beetroot in daily life. Natural juices. Combine beet with other ingredients such as carrots, apples, ginger, or oranges. This mixture results in a refreshing and highly nutritious drink, ideal for starting the day with energy. Salads and cold meals. Grate or thinly slice beet and add to green salads. The slightly sweet taste harmonizes with leaves such as rocket, spinach, or lettuce. Roasted beet. Slice the beet, season with olive oil, salt, and herbs, and roast in the oven. It's a practical and delicious alternative to accompany lean meats or fish. Soups and purees. Cook the beet and blend it with other vegetables. The result is a creamy, nutrient-rich soup, perfect for colder days. Healthy snacks. Beet chips are a great way to replace industrialized snacks. Simply cut them into thin slices, bake until crispy, and season to taste. Beet flour. For those who prefer practical alternatives, beet flour can be added to smoothies, cakes, and breads, boosting the nutritional value of your recipes. Results of regular beetroot consumption. By consistently including beet in your diet, you can see significant health benefits that accumulate over time. More energy and willingness. Within a few weeks, you'll notice more vigor in your daily life as a result of the increase in oxygen transport through the body. Improved cardiovascular health. In about 2 to 3 months, your blood pressure may begin to stabilize, especially if combined with a healthy lifestyle. More efficient digestion. The fiber in beets will contribute to an improvement in intestinal transit and the elimination of toxins, reducing abdominal bloating. Younger, healthier skin. After a few weeks, the antioxidant action will help minimize signs of aging, promoting firmer, brighter skin. Greater physical endurance. Athletes and active people may notice an improvement in physical performance, with less tiredness and faster recovery after exercise. Reduced inflammation. With regular consumption, the anti-inflammatory compounds in beet will help reduce joint pain and other inflammatory processes. To obtain these benefits, it is essential to balance the consumption of beet with other healthy foods, maintaining a varied diet. People prone to kidney stones or kidney problems should consume beet in moderation due to its oxalate content. Remember that transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with regular and persistent consumption, beet can become an indispensable ally in your quest for health and quality of life. Adopt this practice today and reap the rewards of a stronger, more balanced body. Imagine waking up every day with more energy, feeling light on your feet, and functioning like a well-adjusted gear. Your heart beating strong, your mind clearer, your skin more radiant. Sound like a distant dream? It doesn't have to be. By including a simple food in your routine, the one we're discussing today, you can start a real revolution in your health and well-being. Think about what it would be like to have more energy for the activities you love. Those walks that once seemed tiring are now invigorating. Nights of sleep become deeper, and even the little aches and pains of everyday life start to disappear. Your immune system, now strengthened, protects you like never before. And suddenly, tasks that previously required effort seem to flow naturally. That's the impact beet can have on your life. Not as a miracle drug, but as a powerful tool that works silently to give you back what has been lost with modern habits: balance, vitality, and full health. But the amazing thing is that the journey to a better life doesn't have to end here. On our channel, we explore many other magical foods like this one that have the power to completely transform the way you live. Each video is an opportunity to learn more about the best that nature has to offer and how to apply it in a practical and effective way in your daily life. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to explore our exclusive playlist, full of valuable information about foods that can dramatically improve your health. Take the time to watch the other videos after you finish this one. They could be the next step in your personal transformation. Your health is the biggest investment you can make, and we're here to help you on your journey. The path is before you. Simple, powerful, and accessible. Choose to live better. Choose to take care of yourself. And remember, we're always here to show you the next step in this incredible journey of self-discovery and health. We've reached the end of this video, but not the end of your journey to a healthier, more balanced life. I hope that the information we've shared today about beet has awakened in you the desire to take even more care of yourself. If you found this content useful, share it with someone you love. Perhaps a friend, a family member, or even that colleague you know could benefit from this knowledge. After all, small changes in diet can transform lives, and together we can take this message to more people. And before I go, I want to invite you to explore our channel. We have organized playlists with countless videos about incredible foods, each with the potential to improve your health in ways you can't even imagine. Take the time to watch, learn, and apply them in your daily life. After all, investing in knowledge is the first step to transforming your life. Thank you very much for being here with me today. Take good care of yourself, and remember, your health is the greatest gift you can give yourself. See you in the next video.